Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is Kevin 11 Outdoor Adventures on YouTube, and at the end of this video I show a picture of all the stuff I used on this build. So watch to the end. I hope it helps you guys with your live sonar build. Worth it. I installed forward-facing sonar on my 21 FishPro, my 670 hours on it. I fish every single week of the year. This is going to be a tool to help me find crappie in the winter and help me find bass in the winter and suspended bass in the summer. So we've got the Lowrance Eagle Eye 9 installed on here. It's not a permanent install because this is on a ram mount. Just take this off and pull it off, and then the wires just come out of these little brackets here. This pops off by itself with these two little switches, and then it comes right off, and I have a battery up underneath the hood right now, but the battery is eventually going to go in a secret place. And right now, from my point of view, the way I ride right here, and if I'm going straight, I can see this perfectly. I don't have any blockage on that one. Of course, I don't have any blockage on that one. And then if I go to put this down and do my side scan or my forward facing live sonar, I mean, I see it just fine. And if I need to, I can lift this up and then I can see both of them real good. This just has a little bungee on it to keep it from bouncing. They don't really come with much of anything that's any better than that. So they don't come with anything, as a matter of fact, so you just got to figure it out. And this will go down. All right, so that's how it is deployed, and it's got plenty of room to go in a complete 360, just like that. So it's got a lot of room. If I look behind me, beside me, in front of me, whatever. And that's how I'm going to fish it. So I'll be able to sit here. So I'll be able to look at this and then fish out this way. And we're fixing to go to the lake right now. Heading out right now. Back with you guys on the water and let you see what's happening out there. Thank you guys for checking in. I'm Summertime Kev. You're watching Kevin 11 Outdoor Adventures. Spell it out. KEVINELEVEN. Go check it out over there. I got all these FishPro upgrades and FishPro videos. I got camping videos. I got all kinds of stuff over there. Leave comments. Let me know what you want to see next, and see you guys next time.